Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to my channel. In previous videos, we learned what is MS Excel, how to use MS Excel, what are the basics of MS Excel, and also how to find marks or sum using formula in MS Excel. So here in this video, we are going to learn percentages using formula. So if you didn't watch my previous videos, please follow the link given below in the description. So let's start. As you can see in this file, in this MS Excel file, I have typed some students' name and I have entered their marks of different subjects. Also, I have typed here the total marks and obtained marks of these students which we have found in our previous lecture. So today, in order to find percentage, we type percentage in the next column, percentage. So you can see that this is percentage column and the name of this column is I. Column names are named as or labeled as A, B, C, D, E, F, G up to so on, and the row numbers are named as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 up to so on. So these are columns which run from top to bottom and the rows are from left to right. So here I typed percentage. Keep it in your mind that in maths, in order to find percentage, we type the formula obtain marks by total marks multiply 100. So remember that in Excel, formula always starts with equal sign. So when we will type any formula, first we use equal sign. So here you can see I typed here equal, then we will use this formula, but we will not type obtain marks. We will type the address of obtain marks. So you should know now that what is the address? The address of the cell is the column name and the row number. That is the combination of column name and row number. So what is the column name and row number of this cell? This is Sana's obtained marks. The first student is Sana and obtained marks of Sana are 366. Now see, the name of this column is H and row number is 4. Here you can see when I click on this cell, the address automatically typed here. So first you need to put round brackets, then type the address of this cell. Now this is obtained marks. For division I put slash. Now total marks, the address of total marks is G4. When I click on this cell, I get the address automatically, but you should know that what is the address, how we get this address. So this is G, column name is G and row number is same, G4 for Sana. So this is G4. Now I close this bracket, then multiply by 100. So for multiply, I press shift from keyboard and press 8. So when I press shift and 8, I get multiply 100. So this is the formula to find percentage. Now when I enter this cell, I will get percentage. So I get the percentage. This is 73.2%. This is the percentage of Sana. And this is out of 100. You know this. Now for the next student, manually what you do? Manually you find the percentage of each student again and again. You type the formula using calculator again and again and find the percentage of each student. So this is a very time consuming process and this is a very tiring process. So to save your time, you can use MS Excel and you simply type the formula once and get the percentage of all the remaining students. So in order to get the remaining percentage of the remaining students, what you do is move your mouse at the bottom right corner of this cell. You can see here the plus black colored sign. When you get this black colored sign, now move your mouse down. Click on the left mouse button and then move down. Lift the finger and you can see that there is a percentage of all the students. And this is done in seconds. It saves a lot of our time. So this is the percentage of all the students from Sana to Xenia. So this is how to find the percentage. Again, I tell you the formula. This is equal obtained marks by total marks multiplied by 100. In the formula bar, you can see whenever I click on the percentage of every student, you get the formula of this cell in the formula bar. So here you can see the column remains the same and row number is changed in every formula. This is H9, H10, H11. So row number remains the same, but the column is changed. So that's all for this video. I hope you understand how to find percentages. For more videos, keep watching. Thank you.